Trauma-informed basically means we assume that all our clients have experienced trauma, which means it is our responsibility to provide a safe and stable environment. Clients feeling safe, number one. The confidentiality makes them feel safe. We don't share any information about a client of any kind with anybody without their written permission. Even within our treatment centers, there are certain things clients share with us that remain confidential between the client and the therapist. So what can we share? Nothing that the client hasn't given us written permission for. That includes, are they in treatment with us? Do we know anything about them? Have we heard from them? None of it may be divulged unless the client signs a form and indicates what information we can share. That is part of our policy. And particularly to provide the client with a sense of safety. Because sometimes some of them may have some legal issues that they're dealing with. Apart from the guilt and the shame, some have got serious relationship issues. So we do what we can. If we feel there will be benefit in including others, we will get the permission. However, from a legal point of view, a police investigation, unfortunately, they can override what we call ROI, release of information. But even then, we will discuss it with the client. And in the worst case scenario, the client may decide to discharge, but we have to legally, if there is a written request or written order as such, we have to release certain information. But even there, we can still be selective in what we release.